Okay, I just had to remember what I did here. So you're going to go to output. Output 3, I think, is originally going to say scribe. Output 3. And you're going to want to change that to oxy. That's going to change it to the oxy solenoid. I don't remember exactly what I did. I think I just changed it in here. Oh, okay. Yeah, so you're just going to want to... Okay, so it's probably going to look like this when you first get in here. Mist M7, it's going to say scribe. And you're going to want to change that so it says oxy. And then save it. Close that. Then you can open your oxy module. So you got your oxy-fuel module open. Just double check that your jog speed is low, because you're going to want it low when you're setting 0 on the torch. Just double check. I usually keep it around 20%. Load up your program, and then we are going to 0. All right, so we're working on 0. We are going to jog down the Z-axis until we touch the material. That's going to be our Z0. And then we'll just go find wherever our XY0 is going to be. 0, 0. And then you're going to want to raise the torch up. I usually raise it up to about 4 inches. Just like that. You're going to want to give yourself enough room to light the torch and get it going. Then you're going to take your handy dandy striker, strike it, get the torch on, neutral flame, blah, blah, blah. Get it set up that way. Pretty self-explanatory. And then you're going to just come over here and hit run, hit resume. Okay, it's going to go to the first point. It's going to jog down. It's going to sit there, and this will be your preheat delay. It's usually set up for around 30 seconds or so, I believe, for 1-inch material at least. And it'll sit here and preheat. And then torch will come down. Solenoid will turn on. Torch will pierce and begin cutting. We're going to pause it real quick. So torch is going to come down, pierce. The solenoid is going to turn on, high pressure oxygen. It's going to begin cutting. Right away, you're going to want to have your torch glasses on, and you're going to be wanting to look at the cut height. And if you need to bump it up or down, you're going to want to come back over to Command CNC here. And this program has a focus feature, I believe, so when you're on a screen it like disables the keyboard or something like that. I'm not really sure how that works, but basically what I do is just come over here when this is all while it's cutting, and I just like switch a tab real quick or something. You can or you can hit escape, and then you'll push U for up and D for down. And another reason why you want the jog speed low is because when you push up or down, that's going to determine how big of a bump that up or down measurement or adjustment is going to be. So if you have this at like 60% and you press up, it's going to jog that torch up half an inch, you know. So keep that low, and then once you jog it up or down, it'll only make fine adjustments on that. And then it'll do the cut, finish the cut, whatever, and then the solenoid will turn off and it'll go back to XY0, and then that's when you shut your torch off, and then you can, you know, get the part out and whatever. So that's kind of the basic rundown. I might have missed something, but I'm just kind of going through this quick. I don't have a whole lot of time, but yeah, there it is.